Shoot shot. Headline 1. With back-to-back lockdowns due to rising coronavirus cases in Kashmir, reminiscent of the government-imposed lockdown last year as communications block remained in place after the special status of Jammu and Kashmir was revoked, Bakrid in the valley is all said to be a low-key affair. Headline 2. Sushant Singh Rajput played the titular of Detective Vyomkesh Bakshi in the Dibakar Banerjee film in 2015. The same film saw Neeraj Gopi as the antagonist Dr. Anukul Guha aka Yang Wang. When these two brilliant actors collided on screen, Banerjee's artistic vision came alive in this Yash Raj film's production. Over a month and a half after Sushant Singh Rajput's death, his co-star Neeraj Gopi remembers working with him on Detective Vyomkesh Bakshi. Headline 3. Setting apart preliminary considerations over travelling among the COVID-19 pandemic, New Zealand spinner Mitchell Santner says he'll take shelter in a nook of the airport lounge as he flies out into the Caribbean through mainland America. Headline 4. Baseball is one of several sports seeking a slice of the huge Indian market, and its similarity with cricket, often called a religion in the country of 1.4 billion, could give it a head start, Major League Baseball (MLB) officials hope. Headline 5. Allu Arjun took to social media to announce his new film, with director Koratala Shiva. In a surprise announcement, the Ara Vaikunta Purmalu actor shared the film announcement poster, with a special note, declaring his love for the team. Tentatively titled Day A21, the film will release worldwide in early 2022. The film is jointly produced by Yuva Sudha Arts and GA2 Pictures. Headline 6. Spain recorded a historic fall in GDP in the second quarter of the year, with the 18.5% drop wiping out all the post-financial crisis recovery of the last 6 years, data from National Statistics Institute showed on Friday. Headline 7. The Narendra Modi-led government at the centre has hailed the new Education Policy 2020 as a turning point in India's history. For BJP's ideological mentor Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh (RSS), however, it's a bigger victory. To have a say in what and how students will be taught is a milestone for the ideological parent of the BJP after 60 years of struggle. Headline 8. Fresh high-resolution satellite images reviewed by India Today indicate that there are no signs of immediate normalcy at Ladakh's Pangong TSO, as the Chinese army continues to increase its deployments at Finger 5 and 6. Headline 9. Prakasam District Superintendent of Police Siddharth Kaushal, who visited Kurichedu Mandal headquarters, said the people had been consuming sanitizer for the past few days, mixing it with water and soft drinks. We are also investigating whether they laced the sanitizer with any other toxic substances, the SP said. Headline 10. Vidya Balan and saris are inseparable. The actress embraces the 6 yards of drape like her second skin and never fails to impress us with her stunning collection. She even made heads turn in several saris while promoting her film Shakuntala Devi in the last few weeks. Right from a classic plain black sari to the ones with stylish twists, she rocked them all with her innate elan. Recently, she opted for a red silk sari from Studio Medium. Headline 11. Malkangiri. In view of the surging COVID-19 cases, the district administration declared a 4-day shutdown in Malkangiri and Bali Mela towns on Thursday. Headline 12. Anugul. Bodies of 2 boys and a girl were found hanging from a tree in Balikuria forest near Balipata village within Chendipada police limits here on Thursday. The victims were identified as Barsarani Sahu, 17, Sabhunath Majhi, 20, and Baru Behera, 22, of Palas Benia NBSP village. They were missing since July 22. Their bodies were spotted by a cattle grazer, who informed the police. SP Jagmohan Meena, along with other officers and a scientific team visited the spot and investigating the case. Headline 13. Baripada, hectares of farmland were flooded, while a road was washed away, as water from the main canal of Subarnrekha irrigation project was released by authorities on Thursday. The bypass road near Gadubhanga village was washed away, cutting off communication with Kuabura village, forcing locals to travel an additional 5 to 6 kilometers to reach Kuliana and Chanduai in Bangiri Posi block. The road was constructed a few years back. Headline 14. Rourkela, Shakti Prasad Mohapatro, aged 30, has not let his own suffering, and the risk to his own health, come in the way of his duty of keeping citizens of Rourkela safe from the dangers of COVID-19. Headline 15. Brahmapur, the pent-up frustration of people over lockdown restrictions came to the fore at Konkaroda village of Sanokhe Mundi block in Ganjam district, after a scuffle broke out between residents and revenue staff during enforcement of COVID-19 guidelines on Thursday. Headline 16. Koraput Shahid Lakshman Naik Medical College OPD closed indefinitely. A critically ill hospital in the emergency department is closed indefinitely. The OPD has been shut down since the medical staff and security personnel came in positive. Only critically ill patients will be treated in the emergency department. General, pediatric, labor rooms will remain open, according to medical authorities. Headline 17. Rayagada, today corona positive case again found 14 district, which crossed 600 till the date. Corona positive cases are on the rise in Rayagada day to day. People are worried and anxious. In spite of several attempts, people are not geared up to conscious by following measures from district administration. On the other hand, putting the question mark, people are in addition expressed their frustration with the administration by giving culpability that Rayagada was utterly safe and green zone. Straight away, how can be the potential of virus grew and became one of the top 5 lists in Odisha. The body of a government worker was found in a government quarter in Arvindnagar, Rayagada. The deceased, identified as PBS Nehru, was working in the watershed department. A few days ago, he came from Visakhapatnam and lived in a government quarter. Before 2 days, the house was smelly, and neighbors reported the matter to police. Family members arrived there, broke down the door, and rescued the body. Police are investigating the cause of death. Short shot.